Alright, 7 minus 2 gives us 5. This 7 minus 2 gives us 5. Then 5 times 5 is 25. If your answer is 25, you are wrong. Why? To solve this type of questions, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operations. The order of operations can be remembered by PEMDAS. Let me write it here. P, E, M, D, A, S. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and lastly S subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division share same level, also addition and subtraction. Now we are going to follow this PEMDAS to solve this question. First, let's start with parentheses. So I do operation inside the parentheses, but before that, let me write the question. 7 minus 2 times 7 minus 2, right? Operation inside the parentheses. 7 minus 2 gives us 5. So it can be written in the form of 7 minus 2 times 5. Remember, number next to parentheses, which means multiplication. So it is same as 7 minus 2 times 5. Now we have multiplication and subtraction. Look here, multiplication here, then subtraction. So first, multiplication, 2 times 5 is 10. It can be written in the form of 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 is 3. No, minus 3. And this is your answer.